teaching you how to make cucumber salad that is very famous in Pakistan. A famous dish that people usually eat with lentils, so dal. First, you will cut up your quarter onion into slices. You will add all those ingredients that you just cut into a small bowl. Next, you will use some lemon. Squeeze some lemon juice out of the lemon into your small bowl. You will add in 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Last, you will add in 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now you will mix everything together. The best part about this salad is that it's sour. And if you want, you can add more lemon to make it even more sour. Enjoy!